If you're thinking about downloading MyBlock for your personal finance management, here are 12 things you need to know before you make the leap. While it's an appealing choice for many, it's important to see how it stacks up against the competition. So stay tuned until the end to find out whether it's the right app for you. First off, MyBlock is a comprehensive mobile app designed to help you manage your finances, offering everything from budgeting tools to tax services. Unlike other apps like Mint or YNAB, MyBlock specializes in a more personalized approach, allowing you to connect directly with tax professionals for better financial guidance. Next thing, one of the standout features is its ability to manage your tax information right alongside your everyday finances. Most apps just give you the basics, but MyBlock takes it a step further, integrating your taxes into the app to help you stay on top of deductions and credits. The third thing to note is how user-friendly the app is. MyBlock is simple to navigate with an intuitive design, but it doesn't quite have the deep customization options offered by competitors like Personal Capital. If you're someone who likes a lot of flexibility, that might be something to consider. The fourth thing is security. MyBlock uses advanced encryption to protect your data, which is standard for most finance apps. But what sets it apart is the additional two-factor authentication for added protection. This might make it a bit more secure than apps like Mint, which doesn't offer the same level of security features. The fifth thing you should know is that MyBlock offers personalized financial advice, especially around taxes. Many apps, like Pocket Guard, simply give you the tools to track your expenses. But MyBlock has a unique selling point with its professional tax consultation, making it a great choice if taxes are a major concern for you. Next, let's talk about the mobile experience. MyBlock is optimized for iPhones and offers a seamless experience, but it lacks the same level of app integration with other platforms that you get with apps like Mint, which syncs better across different devices. If you need something cross-platform, you might want to keep that in mind. The seventh thing to know is MyBlock's customer support. They offer 24/7 access to experts via live chat and phone, which is a major plus compared to apps like YNAB, which only offers email support. If you need immediate help, this could be a deal breaker in your decision-making process. The eighth thing to note is that MyBlock offers a decent free version, but many of its most useful features, like tax filing and premium financial advice, are locked behind a paywall. Compared to free options like Mint, which offers most features at no cost, you might feel a bit limited unless you opt for the paid version. The ninth thing is that MyBlock doesn't have as much investment tracking functionality compared to apps like Personal Capital, which specializes in tracking your investment portfolio. If you're a more serious investor, MyBlock might not be the best choice for you. The 10th thing to be aware of is its budget management tools. The app gives you solid budgeting options, but if you need a more granular level of detail, apps like YNAB may offer better tools for tracking specific goals and categories. Next, MyBlock offers tax-saving tools, helping you plan for the next filing season, but they're limited compared to some full-fledged tax apps. If tax management is your primary concern, you might want to consider other apps that specialize more in this area. The 12th and final thing is its rewards program. MyBlock offers cashback and discounts through partner brands, which is a nice added bonus, though not as comprehensive as what you might find with apps like Rakuten. Still, if you make use of their offers, it could be a good way to save. In conclusion, MyBlock is a solid option for those who want an app that merges finance management with tax assistance. But if you're looking for something more customizable or feature-rich, there may be better choices out there. If you want a more comprehensive finance management experience, check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free today.